Magnetism is one of the most fascinating natural phenomena we encounter in everyday life. It refers to the force exerted by magnets when they attract or repel each other or certain materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. A magnet always has two poles, north and south. If you bring the north pole of one magnet close to the south pole of another, they attract each other. But if you bring two like poles together, north to north or south to south, they repel. This invisible force works through space and can act even when objects are not in direct contact. One of the earliest and most practical examples of magnetism is the use of a compass. A compass has a small magnetic needle that aligns itself with Earth's magnetic field, always pointing toward the magnetic north. This property has helped navigators and explorers for centuries to find direction. Similarly, fridge magnets work on the same principle. They cling to the metallic surface of your fridge door due to magnetic attraction. There are two types of magnets: natural magnets and artificial magnets. Natural magnets are found in nature, like lodestone, and have a weaker magnetic force. Artificial magnets are man-made and come in many shapes: bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, disc magnets, and they are much stronger. These magnets are used in everyday appliances. For instance, speakers use magnets to create sound. Inside a speaker, the movement of a coil near a magnet produces vibrations that turn into the sounds you hear. Magnetism is also used in electric motors and generators. In a fan or washing machine, motors use magnets to convert electrical energy into motion. Similarly, in generators, magnets help convert motion back into electricity. This is how power plants generate electricity for our homes. Even in credit cards, the black stripe contains magnetic information that helps identify your account when swiped in a machine. Have you ever seen magnetic levitation trains or maglev trains? These futuristic trains float above the tracks using powerful magnets. Because there is no contact with the ground, there is almost no friction, making the train super fast and smooth. This is a brilliant example of magnetism applied in transportation. Magnets are also helpful in medical fields. MRI machines, magnetic resonance imaging, use powerful magnets and radio waves to take detailed images of the inside of your body. This is a life-saving use of magnetism that allows doctors to diagnose many internal problems without surgery. Magnetic force only affects certain materials. Iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt are magnetic and can be attracted by a magnet. Wood, plastic, paper, and aluminium are non-magnetic and remain unaffected. You can easily test this at home by bringing a magnet near different household objects like coins, keys, or plastic containers. You'll see which ones are magnetic and which are not. Another interesting property is that if you break a magnet into two pieces, you don't get isolated poles. Instead, each piece becomes a magnet with both a north and a south pole. This is a unique characteristic of magnets and shows how the magnetic field works throughout the material. Magnets lose their strength under certain conditions. Heating a magnet too much or dropping it repeatedly can reduce or destroy its magnetism. That's why it's important to handle magnets carefully, especially in precision instruments and electronics. Magnets are also used in recycling plants. Huge electromagnets are used to separate metal scraps from other waste materials. This not only speeds up the recycling process but also helps in preserving the environment by managing waste effectively. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of educational content. Your support encourages us to make more videos filled with useful knowledge and practical learning. To sum up, magnetism plays a crucial role in our daily lives. From navigation tools and household devices to transportation and medical technology, magnets are quietly working behind the scenes. Understanding how they work helps us appreciate the unseen forces that power our world.